there's no shortage of companies that are identifying themselves as CDPs these days, and I think you alluded to it earlier on. I think there's a lot of clarity that's needed within the ecosystem. Some companies, they look at the user data store as a feature to power the application that they own. Sometimes that's going to be in the execution layer. So maybe like it's email delivery or marketing automation. Sometimes it may be kind of like meta reporting layer on top of your marketing tech tools. Not to say that those types of CDPs are not valuable. I think that they are valuable. They're limited in scope. They tend to solve one specific use case. I think the way that we view the role of the CDP, though, is what it really should be is less at the application layer and more at the infrastructure layer. It should be built on a completely neutral, partner agnostic approach, right? Your data as a brand is your data, doesn't belong to us. We are a platform, and our job is to help accelerate time to data value. And so it becomes really misaligned when you start to extend into the application layer and you say like, well, I'll power a set of connectors for most of it, but I need to really own this, kind of like vertically integrated part of the ecosystem. It's just a weird kind of misalignment. And so I think the things that people need to focus on when they think about, do I need a customer data platform or not? It's like, is this tool agnostic? Can it ingest data from anywhere? Can it get data to anywhere? And does it solve the structural challenges that maybe inhibit or prevent success at scale? And those things are data quality, like I mentioned, and the kind of default state of data quality is reverse, right? It's not like you fix it once and then it's like magically fixed forever, right? Governance, right? So it's one thing to get everything into like the right state and merged into the right profiles and have like a clean, hygienic data set. But if you can't govern your data flows and you're subjecting your organization to a bunch of liability, that's also not great. And then the connectivity piece. You should be able to get data from anywhere to anywhere. And those are the things that the CDP should be able to do for you. And there's, there will be an evolution. I think that there's a really important setup that creates for a lot of companies to then focus on automation and decisioning and intelligence. But so many of these like advanced data services, call it ML, AI, predictive insights, whatever, they skip past the structural steps. They skip past data quality. They skip past governance and data sovereignty issues. And it's like, you're just dealing with garbage in, garbage out. And you have to, it's not the sexy stuff, but it's the stuff that really makes a difference.